Right, ladies. So as we approach the open, then we believe in this on this recoil off of 38, where we all knew the market was going to turn. Right. So below 33, right? Below clean break of 33 is the confirmation, right? So we're already short 38. Price just came beautiful all the way to 32. That's only 6 points. We all know the overall market direction. We know the trend. We know trade what you see. And 33, 30 is going to chop everybody out of there. But as long as we are on the recoil 38, we are bearish because the price is 42 is only a squeeze. All right? Okay, so we're good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. 33, right? Look at that. What is that? 32. 32. Momentum takes at 1 point. Boom, back to 38. And we know exactly what we think is going to happen right there at 42. It's a scary, for the bears, right? Who the hell is going to step in front of that massive bounce off of hour 33, which we know is support? But we're talking about the future. Let's see what's going to happen here. 42, right? Oh my God, it's too much, man. No way it's gonna clinch, man. Right? So what's the most important thing? That we didn't have confirmation. Confirmation, I told you, it's all recorded. Confirmation is the clean break of 33. The bounce of 33 says, no confirmation that this pullback is gonna continue going. All right, we don't have confirmation, so we still believe that the bulls now took control again. And where are they going? To 88, right? Oh my God, CAPI 88. That's beautiful, man. That's 50 points. That's where it's going. 88. A straight line. That's not going to happen. So let's find out what the levels of resistance are going to be, because we won't hesitate in counter trending short. A important level of resistance, we're gonna counter trend it, because the main play we all can see is bullish. 288, that's 50 points. So if you don't want to counter trend, don't counter trend. All right, but you need to know that it's not. We don't believe it's gonna get there easy. I said again, those of you guys that just arrived, right? So we were expecting a continuation of the pullback. Confirmation would have been a break of 33. We knew it. It couldn't. Totally the opposite. We saw the bounce. Bulls take control of the intermediate trend, and we believe that as long as above 33, and it's going to go to 88. How? Which is more important than what it's going to do. It's not going to happen on a straight line. Well, the market never moves in a straight line, but today specifically, because we believe that the overall market direction is sideways and the trend is neutral. It's not bullish. That's what we humbly believe. CAPI, man, are you sure, man, this thing is going to 88? That's where they want to go, man. So main play, long, no confirmation, the breaking of 33, bounce, beautiful. Hey, CAPI, if this thing is going to 88, I'm not going to counter trend short. Well, it's okay. After all, it's beautiful, right? That's great. Remember 42? Support become resistance become. Look at that. Look how beautiful the price is above what we knew 42 was. Look at it, right? So that's the main play right now. 88, right? That's where the bulls want to go. 88, and then we all saw that beautiful bounce of 30 of here of 32. What made us change hat and go long? That it couldn't take the confirmation 33. Couldn't take it. On the contrary, bounce and look at that beautiful momentum. Now we just have to let it ride. 55 points. That's what we want. 55 points. Okay. All right. What is 42? The trail. Right? Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have another trail. This is not a stop trail. It's a trail. 50. Right there, 50. So in other words, bulls, those of us who are gonna do everything in our power to ride it all the way to 88, it's not gonna be easy. We need the price to be above 50. It's not a confirmation level, but it's an alert. 50. Extremely important that the price remains above 50. My humble opinion, I don't think it will. But it's not a stop. It's 42. We still believe that it's going to continue going all the way to 88. Right? Look at the way it broke 50. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, by way of 66, right? 88, all day today, or maybe in the next 5 minutes, who cares? Stop, break even, start trailing. Did the price took 50 again? Is it above 50? We're good then, right? As long as we are above 50, right? This is just a shakeout. Everybody knows the importance of 50. So the smart money, just go ahead, shakes all the amateurs and all the teenagers on YouTube claiming that they're big shot traders and they're trading academies. And now look at the way it took it again, right? But we've known since 9 a.m. that we're gonna do everything in our power to let it ride all the way to 88 by way of 66. So 66 is gonna be another 42. It's either gonna stop it right there or it's going to become a very strong key level. Terrific, right? Pretty standard, right? 1, 2, 3, break of 50, test 58, pull back to G50 that we've known since when? Since 45 minutes ago. Establish new position long right here, add to a winner, because we all want to go to 88 by way of 66. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that's beautiful. 66, 69, all right, 69, 70, 88. We want 18 more points. Very well, ladies and gentlemen. So, sure, the market didn't go to our 88. It only made it to 83, so we ended up making only 51 points. Remember, if it's not live, it's not real.